Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice writing on Ghana TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Assalamu alaikum. How do you say? I think in Hausa, how are you is Mekeche. Yes, because I remember there were some Muslim ladies when I was doing my first degree. I think Mekeche, I said, how are you doing? Then they will say Meche Boom. Something like that in Hausa. You see, Ghana, this country, I always ask myself, between a Christian leader and a Muslim leader, who will be the most suitable person to plan a pilgrimage trip for Muslims? Your guess as fun as mine. The Muslim leader. Because if not for it, maybe the Muslim leader has been there before. Dr. Bawumia is an Al-Haji. He has been to Mecca on several occasions. And so, when it comes to planning pilgrimage, understanding the plight of pilgrims, knowing what things to put there for pilgrims to feel better in their pilgrimage, nobody, no president between John Mahama and Bawumia will do it better than Dr. Bawumia. But even our friends Muslims allow themselves to be deceived by NDC. Now when NDC came, started playing tricks with this whole pilgrim stuff. And they are going to open a special passport this in 24 hours to give passport to pilgrims. We are here today. People still don't have their passports. Okudzeto or whatever. Now people have paid for the trip, and there is no plane to carry them to Mecca. And this thing happened before. 2016 Kaya. Over 200 pilgrims paid money to the then John Mahama's government that they wanted to go to Mecca. They did not take them to Mecca until Akufo-Addo came 2017 to provide them transportation to go to Mecca. The same thing is happening again. People are stranded. And I hope that our friend Muslims, with what you are going through this time around, the Mubekai Muko Tuabana, Mubekai Atuama, MPP. If you don't learn again, here we are. Now who cause Sam? It will be me cause Sam, it be you cause Sam. Please remember to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.
Na Us Bawumia. Ghana for Damase. Nyankopon so nhyira mo. Eni amammo papa mo bebu ye na Us Bawumia. Mo betina so mfie nwotwe. Bibia nso te da. Ubekọ krom bibia upe bia ukra sika bia upe bia kọ krom a wunya. Ene de ni ehun. Ene bena Tuesday, me se me koye provisions kakra be fie. Medru wo kanshi. Ideal mock, machin the whole wo kanshi. Menya ideal mock. Na na do ne Bawumia te so de hia se ukura usika. Bibia ye basa chese ukokrom krom mo moton ade wo krom ho omo bo keke. Chese ene ya beti dollar so. Dollar no mo na mote so NDC fo. Mo na mote dollar so. The whole world ena ama dollar no ba bia nye Ghana hanko na mate dollar so. Mo wutimi ye bibi papa. Mate mo na mo CEO ena niema bo den. Ene mi ko okrom. Na me se NDC fo bi no mo na mo yesi edi mo chia ye bedi mo nim. Me mate sika 3.5 350 akoto kani sika 3.5 new currency 3.350 350 cedis akoto mintos me mintontos fun makoto ntos efise me ne me ma na ebedie me ne mabusua na ebedi nti o se me ta de pa na me makoto mintos na vrongo na NDC ni ba fun bi enso akoto ne de sa adwoba o sadien mi sani e wontos bi o fifire fichire ye fre na adwoba ena ono akoto bie na ono se onyane die 50 cedis onyane die ono wadi aba mi di emu ode abetagi me se ono ne die 50 cedis wontos fon na wo mimi ntos na mekotoye na vrongo na bi no wo dia fon na adwoba na akotoye na wokwa ayi agogroshia omo abo ase de ho ase peche na apro no aba time mu wokoto ne wo ma akodi no memento ade fon ne mabusua ni o evise mempese me mabe yale enti me to ade papa aduane a ye di agu yemu ye to ade pa mimi bibia mi di wo fie bia ade pa memo anwa sadi bibia me to ade pa akoto ayi local we entos na amele na yeti a no ma hye ne ka bad no wo de ba betage me se wo de na 50 Ghana aboa unko dwemo on mementos na vrongo no me makoto na vrongo paint rubber 2.5 ene kura me kwa me de say my last Friday ni mitobi nti me obi egu fridge mu ye di ni kakra na me kwa empo 300 de amanfo ebisa 300 ma hwe ni mumpo ni obi wo ho na wakoto wo loka na amele no entosi a eho ko emu green no o de ba be compare me ntosi na me makoto ne 350 no o be ka che be sa me boa enye wunni ni twaasiri na ekufo de tosi na muso mukoto bi mukoto mokontosi ni nyaadoa ni nkunuma sane board na monso modie na ye no kala na ase na moboa wo ya aboa wati wani mu se kakai wo se sister no me this time no me se me nsoso moso kula bi wani mu se kakai wo de oni mo ho se na aba me din emu ede untosi adwoba ne ebetaage me wani mu se kakai wani ya wadwoba na akoto de toto me na vrongo ne ho ena ma na aba na krom ena Tuesday mi free krom ba mpani me koye provisions kakla abegu fie me kwa ye chese ideal mock machia ideal mock ashoti wo kanshi ideal mock ashoti wo kanshi na mse kire bia kataban we na me de ma be fie ye ba ko tuto bi wo fie me mentoto ade wo fie 11 no me to me bibia gu fie ye ba ko to fie 11 saa na yenya binto ukra me krasika kokrum me anya de ade a me pe no me anya ko hwe niam aboden eniam aboden ukohwe krom omusu omu kekam na mse mu ho hwe bia ba no kra de so sen we de commodities musu a kire wan musu a kire munni ana amose yese mahama ne samejam fi mo no omodwen mo no omu chiche sika no